Lemon with garlic mixture, the most powerful mix for cleaning any heart blockages. Lemon and garlic are undoubtedly one of the most beneficial foods we can consume, as they are full of nutrients and provide amazing health benefits. Their combination is apparently even stronger, offers countless possibilities as a natural medicine, and effectively helps you to improve blood circulation, unclog arteries, and lower high cholesterol levels. When the LDL cholesterol accumulates in the arteries, it raises the chances of heart attacks and other heart diseases. People often use various medicines offered by the pharmaceutical industries to lower cholesterol and prevent heart issues, but these solutions are often loaded with chemicals and ineffective. On the other hand, you can prevent and treat these issues completely naturally, using this mixture. Ingredients: 2 cups of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of garlic juice, 1 cup of ginger juice, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Instructions: boil the ingredients in a pot for half an hour, then leave the mixture to cool down and add 3 cups of organic honey. Then add 2 garlic cloves and 2 lemons, cut it on pieces, and some water in a blender and blend it. After you blend it, add this into the boiled mixture. Stir well, transfer the remedy into a glass jar in the fridge, and take 1 tablespoon daily on an empty stomach. When it boils, leave it for 5 more minutes, and then remove it from heat, and store it in glass jars in the fridge. You should have 50 milliliters of this remedy daily for 3 weeks. Then, make a week break and repeat for 3 more weeks. You should do this treatment twice a year. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.